guys, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a song by Juanita Bynum, Any Crown, and I'll be playing in the key of F, and then I'll play in the key of G also. Now the song modulates to a G and then comes back to F. This is one of the few songs you find yourself playing in two keys at the same time. So irrespective of the key that you're playing, if you're playing in F sharp, you modulate to A flat and then back to F sharp. So that's how the song is, and I'm going to be showing you the chords for each of the keys, that is F and then G. Now I'd like to use this opportunity to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Very soon we'll be hitting 4,000 subscribers, and that is massive. I really appreciate you guys for what you've done, sharing the links and then watching, commenting. It's all good. God bless you. All right, so let's get into it. First of all, okay, for the key of F, there's the chords. We'll be playing a chord 6, chord 6, and then we'll play chord 5, and then we'll play the flat 5. It's a diminished chord. Now for the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, if you're counting from 4, it becomes a 4 sharp, but this is 5. So when you play it, most of the times they use the word flat 5, but it's a diminished chord. And for some time now I've been talking to you about diminished. You space them in 3. So this is your note 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're going to use the chord 6, chord 5, then the flat 5 diminished, and then back to 5. So with the intro, this is how it is. Again. So we play the 6, so it's like 5, flats 5, then back to 5. So it's like right after playing the 6, 5, flat 5 in the key of F, you move to G and play the same progression. You play a 6, 5, flat 5. So it's going to be a 6 in the key of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So this is your 6, this is your 5, and this is your flat 5. So this is how you play the chord in G for your 6, and this is your chord 5, flat 5, back to 5. So that place, so you're going to be playing. Let me play it again. So let me combine the two and play it. Alright, so you play. We're still playing in the key of G. As now we've moved from the intro of F to G. So this one becomes a chord 4 for key G. So we play. Okay. Keep you all that to 4. Then that's a chord 1 in G. That's your chord 1. So let me go over everything. Sorry. So now we're going to you are worthy, O Lord, of all honor. So that place, we're still in the key of G, don't forget it. Alright, so this is how you play it. So that place, you're playing a chord 3, from chord 3 to 6, and then to 5. So, you are worthy, O Lord, of all honor. So as the person leading the song, you can be playing along, or you can just play the chords. You are worthy, O Lord. Okay, so this chord 3. Alright. Okay, and then this is your chord 6, which I already showed you, and then your chord 5. So, you are worthy to receive all my praise. Every all I have to give, this way you don't play, I will. Now this time around you're going to be playing a 4, 5, 6. Most of the times I like playing the 2, or you can play the full chord 4. But most of the times if you're playing it and then you limit it to 2, it sounds as if you're playing the melody. So for the first one, okay, let me play it slowly. The Almighty, I played the full chord, then you play, then the song comes back to F again, and because we are now in chord 5 of G, which is the same as chord 6, so that means you have to sharpen this one. Yeah, we have to flatten this one to get the chord 6 of F. So okay, let me play it and then come back to it so that you can get a feel of it. So the intro is always in F, and then the actual song, everything is in G. So let me play the whole song, alright, from beginning to the end. So from a 6, 5, flat, 5, 6 in a key of F, then you move to G, 6, 5, 5, flat, 5, 6, then chord 3, 6, and then 5. For you are worthy, O Lord of all, then I will worship him. It's a 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, till you end up in 5, and then you start. When you end up in 5, you just have to flatten this one to get your chord 6 in F, and then you begin the whole process again. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.